Hello, happy Tuesday. I was gonna get ready to take Eric outside to go swimming, and I remembered I had this, so I was gonna go ahead and open this. Last week I found out I'm anemic, so I had to start taking some, what's that stuff called? Iron? It is so fun, let me tell you. So this is for my September Ipsy. We have Ipsy Boxycharm viral trends guaranteed to stop your scroll. Elfing, you won't elfing believe this new drop. Elfing amazing. Okay, they got some of the stuff here that I don't know. Soft era makeup. They never put anything in here no more. I noticed that's like in the box. So it's just, there's a soft era sweepstakes. What does self-care look like to you? Tell us for a chance to win soft era beauty bundle worth $500. Follow Ipsy on Instagram and like Ipsy's first pinned post. Leave a comment, your favorite self-care tip, and include hashtag sweepstakes to enter. If y'all want to pause that, it's right there. Alright, how many of you have actually watched my Sephora haul? Let me know in the comments. Alright, the first thing here is Renewal Overnight Mask by Dr. Babber. It's Queen 97 naturally derived, helps plump and relax skin while you sleep with pre and probiotics and natural pectin, helps support the skin's nighttime rejuvenation process. I might use this if there's anything I'm allergic to. I need to just this cream mask. The ingredients. Oh, I like that. The ingredients are listed all the way down, and it tells you what each one does. I kind of like that. It says made in Germany. Cool. Empower your healthy glow is on the inside. I can't wait to try that. Okay. Next thing is Ren Ever Hydrate Marine Moisture Replenish Cream. I'm guessing Ren Skincare. Yes. It's 50 milliliters. Gently massage 1 to 2 pumps on freshly cleansed face and neck. So it says it's it doesn't say much. Okay, so there's that. This is a very skincare heavy box. LYS Beauty Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. For some reason, I think they have the wrong color down for my skin, because sometimes they get it right, and sometimes they're like way off in left field. Like, that doesn't look like a brightening concealer. Go ahead and open it and look. Looks kind of orangey. Looks like it just kind of goes with my skin. I have noticed since I started taking iron though that my skin is getting darker. It's going back to its normal color. So I must have been... I don't know why y'all can't see that, but it's like exactly... I could use this as foundation. So I need to get on there. I thought I already checked once. I can't put it back in the box. Okay. I thought I already checked once because of the same reason, and that it had it as a correct amount. This is Misho Beauty. It says medium contour stick. Maybe this one will actually be correct, right? Looks more like a bronzing stick. Oh, it might be a cool tone. Let's see. Let me find this, because I did do some makeup today. because I was gonna do the Natasha Denona thing and then kind of bronzed it out. Might be a good bronzer. Okay, don't put that back in the box. And then the last thing is Mineral Baked Blush by Il Maquillage, I believe. Yeah, Il Maquillage. It's in the color Vogue. I'm probably going to put it up for like the Christmas giveaway because I have a lot of blush. So for 20 from like I think it's $30 maybe, or $32. I can't remember. I know it went up. It's not bad for that amount of money. It was a pretty good box. I can't wait to try this. These two things are, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with though. I mean, this I'll use. I love, I've been using a lot of cream products lately. Like my makeup right now, I'm wearing the Lancome foundation stick, the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush stick, the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick, and then just some primer, the NYX Marshmallow Primer. So, I mean, I've been using them a lot, but yes. I'm going to try this. I'll let y'all know. I also have some masks that a company sent me that I'm really liking. So, overall, I definitely got a good box. I'm not sure I'll use this. This may go in the Christmas giveaway also with this. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. There's a drawer down here. It's already got a palette in it. So, alright. I hope y'all have a wonderful Tuesday. And I am going to try my darndest to get this Natasha Denona palette thing up by the end of the week. And at the beginning of next week, some stuff from my Sephora haul. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. I know there's a lot of weather and stuff going around. Also, a friend of mine, if you made it this far, a friend of mine has a son that she adopted, and he was in a horrible car accident last Friday. I haven't heard anything else but prayers. He's 18, and I believe it was an 18-wheeler hit his car. He's on life support last I heard, so pray for them. It would be very nice. Hopefully everything turns out okay. I want to cry thinking about it. So yeah, if you made it this far, put like an emoji if it's like actually summery still at your house. Put like a sun. If it's a fall like at your house, put a leaf. Here it's in between. I don't know why. So, love y'all. Have a great day. See you soon.